Yes.
So if you're looking for luxury brands, and this is the place.
The other night, saw you glance, your everlasting light.
Special occasion, then this is the place you need to come to.
Is it crystal?
I know that's glass.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. This looks like dome, dome?
Add it up.
Yeah, so guys, we are at Address Home, and we are here with Hiral, who's the manager of the store.
Yes.
And she's set it up beautifully.
Thank
you can
you.
see it, yeah.
Thank
Well done. And we are in Kalyani Nagar. We're showing you around. We hope you like it. It's lovely. And
Like
if
it
you're
and love it.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, we hope you love it. We hope that you drop by. It's in Kalyani Nagar. You're looking for something for your home. There are a lot of cutlery here.
We have an entire gifting range also. So we have like glass sets here. We have the tea sets here. Then we have cup saucers. We have the entire collection. So even if someone's looking for corporate gifting or basic gifting, we have a lot of options.
So basically they're into B2B gifting also. Diwali is coming up, so anyone who wants to
Yeah.
do gifting and stuff like that. New Year's, anything. There's so many occasions which are coming.
Absolutely. So this is the place. One-stop shop.
So why people should come and buy over here at Address Home?
A, because I'm there. B, super service thanks to courtesy Hiral. But yeah, on another note, we do a lot of customizing. Like suppose if you have like a particular price range, so we will get you products that will be fitting their prices. You don't have to over exceed your budget. So that helps with, everyone has a budget for certain gifting.
Alright.
So yeah, so we work around that. So it makes it easier to pick and choose. Like if you have like orders for different clienteles,
Right.
so we help with that also.
So you have something very similar to what we see at Home Store. Yeah?
Home Store?
No, so I am
Home
at
center,
the no. So I am with the price ranges with Good Earth, Address Home, and Uma.
Okay.
These are the three brands
Okay.
that work on a similar.
Okay, so how different
price
are you
range.
where the pricing is concerned?
So it's a luxury brand. So
Okay.
they are slightly higher than your regular
Regular Home
brands.
Store
yes.
that you have.
So the ticket
So
size
like
is
my
pretty.
bedspreads, they start with 16,000 and they go up to 20,000.
Oh, so there's quite a
There
bit,
is
there's
quite
quite a
a-
bit of difference.
yes,
So if you're looking for luxury brands, and this is the place. So if you're particular about what your home has and the decor and things like that, so then this is what you're looking at. But if you're okay with a regular range,
Yeah.
then you can go to you get that there. But you get lovely stuff. So if you want to hand pick something, then definitely, if it's for a special occasion, then this is the place you need to come to.
In fact, today I'm in a very generous mood. So you all should,
Oh, lovely.
since
Lovely.
I would say now Ganpati is coming, so
Oh,
this
how
is
sweet!
for you.
Thank you all so much, and this is what she has given us.
Beautiful.
So, Hiral, what would you say this is?
It's
It's
a
a
tea
tea
light
light.
holder, but you
Right.
can even put it at the entrance, or you can put
For
it in like
Ganpati,
water, like a
yes.
floating light. So.
Okay, you can put it in water too? Or
Yeah,
that's
because it's
for-
light, so it'll.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
So there you have it. This is what Hiral has gifted to us, just for fun India. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and visit Hiral's showroom, which is in
Multiplex Mall, Kalyani Nagar.
Okay.
Yes.
We would like to know the range of corporate gifting. So the range starts from.
2,000,
Yeah.
and then you can take it up to as high as
Yeah.
you require.
So what's the high ticket size? Like ticket size?
So if you're looking like some people want to give desk sets or something, or the globes, they go up to like 15, 20, 25.
Oh,
So
that's
depending on what price ranges you're looking.
That's reasonable. That's reasonable, guys. And if you still have a little loan, then it starts at 2,000. So you can gift something exclusive from the range of 2,000. So everything in the shop, from what I can see, is exclusive. So price should not be an issue.
With regards to the timelines, deliveries and everything, she's the right person.
Yeah, so if you give me a little time in hand, I can check the availabilities. If it's ready available, I can procure it within 1 week. If it's going to go in production and not ready with the warehouse, then I can inform the client accordingly, like how we work around it.
So they have to give you a booking amount?
And advance, yes. I
Advance
don't
is-
work without advance.
So is it 50% advance or what is it?
So generally I take 70%.
70%.
So that at the end it's no hassle for the client or for me.
Right.
And 30% on delivery.
At the
The
end.
multi-point deliveries, how are you gonna do that?
So we have Pan India 15 stores.
Okay.
So in case someone's in Delhi or Bombay, we have stores. So I can send like the catalog. They can choose from that. And then depending on which city they are in, we get it shipped from our warehouse.
Okay.
It'll be all packed, ready. Like I have this, which is like about to go, but that's how the wrapping is.
Yeah, what-
Smaller boxes, we just put the bows. Bigger packaging,
That's how you'll pack it?
yeah. So
Okay.
that's how the entire
Very
packaging.
neat.
So that's
Very
the gift wraps.
neat. Beautifully
Perfect,
done.
man.
The packaging and everything is done quite well. So it's
Very
very
neat.
nice.
So if you want to give someone, it's just like going straight
Yeah,
from
so
your
it
little-
just like it'll go directly to them.
To
If
them?
it is
Oh,
Pan
so
India, like
easy.
another store,
So
suppose.
easy,
So
okay.
very easy, and it just goes and you just put it in the bag and give.
Right. So we need to come here to the store and book it? Or
Even
we
if
can do
you're,
it
suppose
online?
you're in Pune, yeah, or you can even do like a transfer or a GPay
So-
or whatever. You
yeah,
don't physically
exactly.
have to come
Come
if you
here.
want to. Yeah, but if you want to see the products, then obviously in the store they have
Necessarily,
to.
yes, we would have to do that. So
Yeah.
we can come here, see the product. Otherwise, you can choose it from the catalog and book it online, pay online, and
Ready to go.
abracadabra, it reaches. So that's it. So we too will be clients soon. Thank you.
Where have you been? Did you see? Did you hear? Did you feel anything? In the world you're in the world you're in. Brutality, make you one, make